is being such a good husband to take me to Austin Film Society for my birthday to see the awesome film Hitman with Glen Powell and my friend the director Rick Linklater and my friend the producer Mike Blizzard. Perfect birthday for a film lover like me. Hitman. How many times have you seen it now?
This will be number 8.
8 times.
It's opening weekend, it's opening all over the country, and y'all are here, and it just feels really
It's in
special.
40 theaters. So. These desperate people don't need immediate mental health counseling and all that. I know they do, but you're soliciting murder.
With Rick Linklater, amazing director, writer, such a great film. Mike Blizzard, fabulous.
Mike Blizzard.
Producer. Thank you so much.